welcome to my video this evening. My name is Daniel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you very quick how to create a payment page using Paystack. So, if you are a business, if you are an online business man or woman, or if you are an online vendor, you sell product online, both digital or physical products, and you are willing to receive payment from your client or from your customer, this is going to be the best way for you to do that. So with what I'm going to be showing you in few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to accept payment from anybody, be it for a physical or for a digital product. And after they make payment through this link or through this method, you can redirect them to a place, either to your WhatsApp, either to a link or to a website to get the product, one way or the other. So without taking much of your time, my name is Daniel and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn with Crown Tech. In this YouTube channel, what I do is provide solution to everyday uh, problems and solve people's problem. So if you are the type that will love my content, you can click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell icon in order to get notified anytime I post a video like this. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to go into action. So the first thing you need to do is to create a Paystack account. Now, I'm going to be showing you, I'm not going to be showing you how to create a Paystack account in this video because I want this video to be very short. But if you go to my YouTube channel, there is a video on my channel which I'm going to be dropping the link to this. I'm going to be dropping the link of that video in the description of this particular video on my YouTube channel. So once you get this video, you can just scroll down in the description and you are going to get the link on how to create a Paystack account for yourself and get it approved. So after you have created a Paystack account and you have got it approved, all you need to do is fill out this information. Is also in the video how you can fill out this information till you get this approval. So once you get approval, you see something like this all done. So after that, we are ready to go into business to accept payment from our client. So all you need to do is click on this menu button, and this place where you see commerce, you see payment page. Click on the payment page that you have here, something like this. So you click on it, click on the payment page. Now it's going to take you to the payment page. As you can see, I've created 4 payment page, which one of them is very active. Like the first one now is very active. Others is just for test run actually. So the first one here says the complete WordPress development course. Now if I click on it to edit it, I've already created it, but I just want to show you the editing. So you can see this is the page and this is how I created it. So in this video, I'm going to be creating a new payment page for you and I'm going to test run it and for you to see that it is actually working. So you can see these are all the details of the page. So since I'm not editing it and I'm not duplicating it, all I'm going to do is I'll go back to that page that lead us here. So in this place, you are going to see new page. So what I will do is I'm going to click on it to create a new page. So once I click on it, it's going to tell me now we have 3 new payment page. One is one-time payment, one is subscription payment, and one is product payment. So you are going to choose the one that suits your purpose. This one-time payment is just to create a simple page for your customer to make payment to you. It can be a payment for a course, it can be a payment for a particular software, it can be a payment for a particular ebook. So it's just a one-time payment. After that payment, they are not going to pay anything. Then the subscription payment is going to be let's say every month, every year, or you should understand. So subscription, it is based on subscription. Once they pay the first month, they are going to repay it the next month. So but one time payment is once they are paid it, they are not going to pay it again and you give them what they ask for. Then the product payment is a page created to sell one or more products from your inventory. So either one time payment or product payment, either of the two is going to work for what we want to do. But for the course of this video, we are going to be choosing one time payment. So I'm going to click on it. In the name of your payment, now um let's say payment for payment for, let's just say payment for training. So description is optional. SEO image is optional, but you can put an image there. So I want a fixed payment on it. So let's say we want a fixed payment. So we can just, for a test, we can put 100 naira. All these places are optional, but it doesn't mean you should not add anything. Yeah, this payment is meant for the WhatsApp. So you can see, let's just say this is the description. So just keep it simple, and it's actually optional, but it's best you put it. So in this payment page, you want to collect phone number, you can select yes. Now this is the payment link. Now you can construct your own link. Let's say e-commerce. Let's make it e-commerce. So if it is available, it will tell you that it is available. Let's say WhatsApp WhatsApp training. So this one is available, but I want the W to be a small letter. So this available, surely available. So where do you want them to redirect after payment? So if I want them to redirect to my WhatsApp, let me say let me put my WhatsApp, what's it called? So this is my WhatsApp link. So let me, so let me open it actually. I think copy. Let me open it on another tab so that to be sure that this is going to open. Okay, so it's a WhatsApp link. So I'll just come back here. I'll come back here and continue what we are doing. So it's correct. So success message, you can say thanks for the purchase. So can you see? It's, if now it send notification to, so if this purchase was successful, put an email, put an email so that they will send a notification to that email that so person has make a purchase. So then name on the feed. Do you want to collect any extra features? So if you don't want to collect any extra this thing, just leave it. Then we can collect email. Let's say we can collect email, their email, then the phone number. We can collect their full name. So once that is, it's actually optional. So but once that is done and everything has been fixed, just click on create. Your page has been created. Share your page link. Now this is the page link that you are going to share. So let me copy the link. Let me copy. It has been copied. So all you need to do is you can now put this page link. You can now put this page link to people, send it to people, or put it on your wall in order to make payment. So once people click on it, can you see it's going to bring them to this page, and it collect their email, it collect their full name, like what you ask it to collect, we collect their phone number, and you can see that this is a fixed price of what? This is a fixed price of 100. And now let's assume I want to make payment. So I'll just put my details, then I'll click on pay. So let's see how this thing works. Let's see how it works. So let's say I want to pay with transfer. So I just come to my account. I'll put in the details. Let's say 999903 9903415824. So I'll select the Paystack Titan, then Paystack checkout. I'm going to credit it with 100 naira. Once I send the money, or once the person send the money, the payment is going to be received, and an email is going to be sent to your account that someone make a purchase. So can you see I've made the payment. So once it the person make the payment, can you see the payment, thanks for the purchase, can you see immediately it will direct the person to that link which you put. And once the person click on it, the person can chat and say, hello, I have make the purchase. So if I go to my email now, if I go to my email, let's say I go to my email to check, you can see if I go to my email now, let me go to my email to check. You see that can you see Paystack receipt? Can you see? Can you see? So it will tell me the name of the person, the details of the person, payment for training and all that. Can you see? So I can also view it on my dashboard, on my Paystack dashboard. This is a simple step to create a payment page for your business, for your product, to receive payment from anybody. So I believe you find this video very helpful. If you find this video very helpful, drop a comment in the comment section and also hit the like button and the notification bell icon in order to get notified anytime I post a video like this. Thank you. My name is Daniel. Welcome to Learn with Crown Tech.